concentration of the reactant and product are constant. Correct answer that A and T. The one here is the graph they be now. A graph show the percentage of ammonia in equilibrium. So you see that. So the for pressure for the we say that pressure for increase like equilibrium pressure increase
right
shift below right pressure so therefore the pressure number of moles number of moles how many number of moles of the left side? Left side the number of moles are when the GR3, GR1, 0, 4. Over Pasaro Chintaro, the number of moles are blood, molecule and moles, so in Cheroda, pressure increase the dilution to the pressure and pathology to the the fewer people to a balance solution, equal to the solution, but one any right. You make up 4, you make up 2, so you will go to the right. That's only percentage in that is able to put your Yala. Nitrogen and hydrogen and Yamala, ammonia gamma. Here, question are increase pressure, increase the percentage of ammonia at equilibrium. Explain why this is the case. So now, increasing pressure, increase the percentage of ammonia equilibrium. Explain the kind hey, Nata. To give marks are 3 marks on beta. Now, that's in to explainable resolution 3.5. So increasing the pressure favors the right side, because of the which has fewer moles of gas molecule, and then the position of equilibrium shift to the right. You must equilibrium right go to the yield of the ammonia will be increased. Okay, so in given marks are 3 marks or this is the answer. The answer is for the equation you must move it. So this one is our Robert Mumabare to Cheroga. Unit 21 in Nauke, chapter 21 in Nauke, unit, I think this is the physical 2021 exam. Any unit question, to unit 2 be like my unit question, that's a sheet. Any time I'm up, I have never 7. Describe the relationship between temperature and the percentage of ammonia at equilibrium. That's what in Cheroga. It will be the relationship between temperature and the percentage of ammonia. So in temperature, increase solution. Temperature increase ammonia will be the zero equilibrium